Hi everyone, it's Monty with the Polka Dot Pinecone. I just got my Hero Arts My Monthly Hero card kit in the mail. So I wanted to show you what's in it, and then I'll make something with it, and then I'll let you guys see when I get finished. So what came in this kit is this stamp set, big stamp set. And it's kind of got a fiesta theme, Mexican theme. So it's got like a dancing senorita and a little bird with a sombrero on. There's some Spanish words and some English words. There's a guitar, a cake, some cactus, some flowers. Anyway, looks like a real fun kit to use. So it came with that big stamp set, and then it also has the dies, the cutout. It looks like most of the pieces there, if not all, because there's quite a few dies there. You also got 3 mini ink cubes, the Hero Arts Fiesta Teal, Fiesta Red, and Fiesta Yellow. So you can use them for stamping or coloring in on the stamped images. It came with 3 sheets of 6 by 18 inch. They're kind of a mulberry tissue paper type paper, and they're really pretty purple and lime green and the teal. And it also came with 2 strands of pretty ribbon. One's kind of a teal green and the other's a purple. So should be able to make some pretty things with that. And then also it came with this die, this frame die. So it looks like I'll cut out the whole frame, and then with some flowers on top and bottom. So that'll be kind of fun for making cards. You can just maybe make that as a frame and add some of the stamped and die cut pieces in the middle, or maybe just add a real simple sentiment to the middle. So it should be fun to try a few different things. So that's what came in the kit this month. So I just thought I'd give you a quick look, and I will decide what to make and make something, and then I will be back to show you what I made. Give me a thumbs up if you like this video. Subscribe to my YouTube channel and my website. Both are the Polka Dot Pinecone, and I hope to see you soon. Thank you. Bye.